Live from the Fastener TV studios, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thank you, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. Here's the stories you need to be following in fastener industry trends, news, acquisitions, and upcoming events making headlines the week of January 15th, 2024. Sherex Fastening Solutions has joined the PennEngineering family. PennEngineering announced the acquisition of Sherex Fastening Solutions, a global leader in the design, manufacturing, and installation of blind rivet nuts and associated fastening solutions. Headquartered in Buffalo, New York, Sherex is a premier technical provider of blind rivet nuts with strong application expertise and production capabilities worldwide. Fasteners making headlines. Boeing is named an independent advisor to lead review of quality management practices. Kirkland H. a retired Navy admiral, has been named as the independent advisor to lead a comprehensive quality review of Boeing's quality management system for commercial airplanes after missing bolts caused a mid-air blowout of a cabin panel on an Alaska Airlines flight. Curation team members at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston have successfully removed two fasteners from the sampler head that had prevented the remainder of asteroid sample material from being accessed. After multiple attempts at removal, the team discovered two of the 35 fasteners on the touch-and-go sample acquisition mechanism that hold material collected from the asteroid could not be removed with the current tools approved for use in the OSIRIS-REx glove box. Engineers on the team developed new tools that freed the fasteners on January 10th. Congratulations to the engineers. Their perseverance paid off. NetPlus Alliance, a buying group serving the industrial supply marketplace, announced the launch of its digital content hub. The new hub will serve as a data repository. That repository will offer access to product content and industrial supplies data from an array of manufacturers. NetPlus expects the digital content hub to serve as a one-stop database for distributors. In practice, its goal will be to help smaller distributors compete with larger ones. According to the company, the hub will do so by providing access to the latest industrial supply data for millions of products. Congratulations, Solon Manufacturing Company, a premier designer and manufacturer of Belleville spring washers, is celebrating their 75th anniversary. Since its inception in 1949, Solon Manufacturing has been dedicated to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction. This milestone marks a momentous journey of growth and success. Join Wi-Fi for the Women in the Fastener Industry virtual annual members meeting, January 16th at 2 p.m. Eastern. Wi-Fi will dive into a comprehensive review of the past year's milestones and an exciting preview of what's to come in 2024. They will highlight key moments and celebrate wins, as well as unveil plans, initiatives, and opportunities that promise to elevate the industry and empower women fastener industry professionals even further. Join Wi-Fi as they reflect and set their sights on an even brighter future. Save your spot and register today at fastenerwomen.com. Have you ever wondered why aerospace manufacturers take so many precautions to supply a product that are free of imperfections? During this live webinar, the importance of workmanship will be explored. Register now for a Workmanship, the Impact of Imperfections and Surface Discontinuities webinar co-produced by the Industrial Fasteners Institute and the Fastener Training Institute. which takes place on Friday, January 26th from 12 to 2 p.m. To register, go to fastenertraining.org. Registration is open for the PacWest 2024 Spring Conference and Tabletop Show. The conference and tabletop show are scheduled for March 6th through the 8th in Anaheim, California. The spring conference will feature next-level education, a tabletop show with more than 70 vendors, and exciting activities including golf and an Anaheim Ducks hockey game. To register, go to pac-west.org. The National Fastener Distributors Association is seeking nominations for the Fastener Professional of the Year Award. The award was created by the NFDA to honor individuals and companies that make a substantial positive impact on people's lives. Membership in the NFDA is not a requirement to be selected for the Fastener Professional of the Year Award. Self-nominations are acceptable, or nominations can be submitted by others. Go to nfda-fastener.org to nominate today. The deadline is February 12th, 2024. The Gilchrist Foundation is accepting applications for their 2024 scholarship, providing scholarships and leadership opportunities for persons engaged or pursuing careers in the fastener industry. The application is available at gilchristfoundation.com. The application due date is by May 31st, 2024. The stories featured in this week's episode of In the News can be found at Fastener News Desk or in our feed at Fastener News at x.com, the new Twitter rebrand, on LinkedIn in the Fastener News group, and at Fastener News at Threads. If you'd like to share your company's news or events, contact me, Lisa at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well and keep it fascinating.